As well, when you took your recording for the first time, they do a health check, don't they? And
did you do inverted commas for first time?
Yeah, first time. Why? I don't know, because I can.
Yeah, I took it.
You had your recording for a health check, didn't you, when you first got your car?
Yeah,
had a mini service, didn't it?
I got a full service.
Full service. And Honda throws health checks in, don't they?
Yeah, they do a video, don't they?
And your video was what, circa a War and Peace? So
yeah, it was about
30 hours
long. Yeah. 3 minutes long
of what was wrong with your car.
Yeah,
which is perfect. Mine was 15-20 seconds.
Yeah.
And half that was going, oh hello Mr. Edward Baxter, I'm glad to report we've done your valve clearances. And then it just went on to the issue, which was two little tiny holes, tiny tin holes on my lower sill on the driver's side near the jacking point, where he said it might need a little.
You can have an overtake opportunity
next year.
Go
Sweet brain.
Go now, quick yes.
Jesus Christ.
So basically
this car's gonna get me in trouble.
Basically we
so a really good health check, with a couple of little points maybe for the next MOT. I know a good welder who'll do it for cheap, but he might even need that, because he was like, he didn't even know the technician. He said, just keep an eye on it. I said, do I need to cover it with anything? He said, no, just let it breathe, and if it develops, it develops. If it stays like it is, it stays like it is. So, and he said, if I do coat it and stuff, that's just an extra job for someone to take off if it does need welding. But like any S2K owner will know, they do get crusty underneath these cars.
Well, all Hondas get crusty.
Yeah, and when I did change the wheels, I noticed my control arms and stuff are all crusty. They're all crusty.
Yeah. Well, so am I. And this is 3 years older than my car.
But that's something we can work on, isn't it? And
yeah, I think during our YouTube travels, we'll meet somebody that can help us with some welding, I'm sure.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, I'll need a little bit.
Does Marky Mark weld?
I don't know if Marky Mark does weld, and that's Mark Diamond. That's Marky Mark, not Mark Wahlberg. You don't know Mark Wahlberg.
Or Mark your neighbour.
Or Mark my neighbour. Yeah. There's a lot of Marks. There's 2 Marks, like in the cul-de-sac that the back of my house presents onto. There are 3 Marks. There's Mark with the beard, Mark with the Qashqai, they live next door to each other, and then there's Irish Mark, who I think he's called Mark, and I'm pretty sure he doesn't watch these videos, because if he's not called Mark, I'm buggered, which is why I always go, hey mate, how's it going? Because I can't remember his name. He's a lovely man though.
But one day he'll go, oh, hi Mark, and you go, it's mate.
Yeah.
And you've been calling me.
Shit, is it? But back to the car as we drive through one of, I mean, as you might have noticed, this is
my heart is still racing from that pull then.
Go!
Sweet Prince!
Go now! Quick!
Fuck.
Yes!
Jesus Christ.
Do that bit again.
My heart is racing from that pull then.
Hang on. Now.
What?
Just go, and we're just entering. I'll say we're just entering.
We're gone then.
It's only because you were talking over me and I was talking over you. So and we've just entered Rue after that beautiful bit of speed.
God, and my heart is still racing from that pull.
Go!
Sweet Prince!
Go now! Quick!
Fuck.
Yes!
Jesus Christ.
It was a good pull.
It's a good pull.
It was aggressive.
Good pull off on it.
The car sounded immense.
So that's a third gear VTEC.
Yep.
So people who've got these cars, if you've ever done a third gear VTEC up to 8,000 revs like I did, you know what speed we're doing.
It's
and that's
certainly
2K
progressive.
speed.